What's up guys, it's me Geek. So here is the design Peak Leash which I bought it for around 50 bucks. Yeah, for around 50 bucks. So now here it is. I bought it from a Sony a6400. So I mean this is the ash color or the gray color. So yeah, 380 Hong Kong dollar. I bought it from my own money. Let me take out from the box. And I think this is beautiful X-T2 camera, amazing camera. So let me take out from this box. So here it is. I have taken out from the box. You got 4 anchor point and this one with the tripod with the bottom mount thread for using bigger lens. You want to use like this, but sadly do not have a tripod mount. Every time you need to take off with this I think this is called Allen key. So now let me take out from the box. Okay, here we go. Okay, yeah. Okay, here we go. Now this is out from the box. Okay, let me put aside. And then okay, this is the first I wanna install the on my Sony a6400. Okay, here we go. It will go like this. Okay, I don't think so. Not like this is right. Not a way. Okay, let me just change the way. Away from here and here. Okay, okay, and then let me take out this one also. Okay, so okay, I install again the wrong way. You need to be careful when you are installing it. That's all I can say. Okay, let me take off again. It need to be like this. Okay, here finally, here we go. Okay, I think yeah, now it's fine. But you wanna install the bottom one, you just need this Allen key and like this, very simple. You are done. But I'm not gonna install the bottom one. Maybe I think okay, yeah, I will just install the bottom one. Maybe I need to show you. Come on. Okay, here we go. Okay, now yeah, we are ready. So it's very easy, just install like this one, and you see like this. Here we go. And also like this one or this one. Okay, here we go. As you can see, we are ready to rock and roll. So yeah, this was the first look, and then how to install. To be honest, the build quality is absolutely amazing, and you can easily adjust the size as you want. So this is the first look. I will do in-depth review. Subscribe and
Allah fahab li